Once you see the questions, in the first question, in a reaction 5.3 grams of sodium carbonate reacted with 6 grams of acetic acid. The products were 2.2 grams of carbon dioxide, 0.9 grams water and 8.2 grams of sodium acetate. Show that these observations are in agreement with the law of conservation of mass. In the question, what they given? 5.3 grams of sodium carbonate is reacted with 6 grams of the acetic acid. Then what is the products? Sodium acetate and carbon dioxide and water is the products. How much their mass is? 2.2 grams of carbon dioxide, 0.9 grams of water and 8.2 grams of sodium acetate. Okay, see the first question. First you have to understand the what they given in the question. We can find out the mass of the reactants and mass of the products are same or not. That is the question. If it is same means it will be obey the law of mass of conservation of mass. Law of mass of conservation of mass. Okay. Once we have to check the reaction. First we have to write the reaction and we have to write their masses. And we can find out the it is obey the law of conservation of mass or not. Okay, first we have to write the reaction. Sodium carbonate. What is the formula of sodium carbonate? Na2CO3. Sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate, how much grams they given? 5.3 grams. 5.3 grams of sodium carbonate is reacted with acetic acid. What is the formula of acetic acid? CH3COOH. Acetic acid. Then what is the product? How much acetic acid? 6 grams. 6 grams. Then what are the products? Sodium acetate. Sodium acetate. Sodium acetate, how much grams? Sodium acetate is a 8.2 grams plus sodium acetate plus carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. How much carbon dioxide? 2.2 grams. And another product is a water. How much water? 0.9 grams. 0.9 grams. Okay, this is the reaction. In the reaction they given the sodium carbonate is reacted with, this is a sodium carbonate is reacted with acetic acid to form sodium acetate and water and carbon dioxide. Okay, first we have to find out the mass of the reactants. Here what are the reactants? Sodium carbonate and acetic acid both are reactants. Sodium carbonate, how much they given? Sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate is equal to 5.3 grams. And acetic acid, how much they given? 6 grams. Okay, 5.3 plus 6 is equal to 11.3. 11.3. This is a reactant mass. Okay, now we can find out the product mass also. What are the products? 3 products is there. Sodium acetate 8.2 grams, water 0.9 grams, carbon dioxide 2.2 grams. These are the reactants. Next, products. Okay, products. What are the products? Sodium acetate. First we have to write the sodium acetate. Sodium acetate. How much they given sodium acetate? 8.2 grams. 8.2. And water. Water, how much they given? 0.9 grams. And carbon dioxide CO2. Carbon dioxide, how much they given? 2.2. Okay, once we have to calculate the 8.2 plus 0.9 plus 2.2 is equal to 9, 11, 12, 13, 3, this one 8, 2, 1. Here 11.3. This is also 9 plus 2, 11, 1 plus 3, 3, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 8, 11. Here 11.3. Here reactant is the 11.3, product is the 11.3. Okay, law of conservation of mass. How can you define the law of conservation of mass? The mass of reactants and mass of products are same. Okay, in a chemical reaction, neither be created nor be destroyed. Okay, in a chemical reaction, the mass of the reactants or products neither be created nor be destroyed in a chemical reaction. That is called law of conservation of mass. So it is obey the law of conservation of mass. This is the first question.